where's her blanket? You say bye to her?
Yeah, I will.
I love you. See you tomorrow.
Oh.
She's like,
Bye, girly.
say bye, Jenna.
Bye.
Say bye.
Come here. No.
Hey.
Bye. No. Okay.
She likes the sign.
I know.
Take it personal.
I don't normally like vacuuming, but this Dyson is literally the best vacuum ever. Like, you just literally just push the little trigger and it is so light. You don't have to lug it around everywhere and it just clips into the wall. It's awesome. Thanks, Kelly. Dylan's mom was the one that gave us the Christmas gift, so thank you. Hey guys, what's up? We just went to La La Land. Got a matcha latte, which is just almond milk and matcha. Now I'm heading back home. I got a lot of stuff done this morning. Now I need to go back home and work on wedding invitations. I have so many invitations to address, it's not even funny, and I need to send them out in like a week. Dylan went back home, took Jenna with him, as you saw. I'm really sad. I've loved having Jenna here. She was more than just a dog. She was literally like an emotional support animal. The event that my dad had as to why we got Jenna got canceled because of all the ice and the snow and everything, and got moved to the first week of April. So we'll probably have Jenna again that week, which I'm really excited because I miss her a lot already. And I miss Dylan too, because they both left me today. And I'm all by myself, but I'm glad I've had a productive morning. It's almost noon and I've got laundry done. I cleaned the house, I worked out, I got matcha, I made coffee this morning. So I probably don't need the matcha right now, but I really wanted it. And it tastes really good. But I'm just gonna have myself a day. If you like this video, stick around, like and subscribe down below. It helps me out a lot. And stay tuned for the rest of the day in my life. Oh, also, you'll see I added in some of Dylan's clips. He told me to vlog, so I told him to vlog too. So, oh, cute puppy. That was a really cute puppy. But anyway, you'll see Dylan Cam within the video too.
Jenna's going potty. Yeah, she's going potty. Where's she gonna go? We don't know, cause she always just walks around and can't pick a spot. Go poop, Jenna, but I don't want to. Please go poop so we can get out. Jenna, where are we going? Where are we going? You go see Ty? You You see Ty? Yeah.
Went by Whole Foods and I'll do a little grocery haul. So first, got eggs, because we were out of eggs. Got bananas. Got this cookie dough. We've tried their chocolate chip cookie dough, but this was sugar. I don't know, it just sounded really good just to have a little something sweet. And also for a little something sweet, I got a piece of chocolate. I got this chocolate bar. Some coconut yogurt, that is my favorite. Got some almonds, those are my favorite almonds, a mango, some tea, because I've been wanting some more tea. Meyer's cleaning surface stuff, and some almond milk. Then in this bag, I got Dylan some of his favorite peanut butter filled pretzels. I got, oh, this is a mug I got at La La Land. And then I saw somebody post about these on Instagram and I had to try them. And I hadn't found them yet until now, so I'm so excited. And it was 2 for $7, so I got these. And then I also got just some of their plain pretzels as well. Should be good. I think these are all gluten-free. Yeah, all gluten-free. Those are the ingredients. Very good. So, I don't know. I'll try them out, let y'all know. It's been a couple hours and I've just been working on doing imitations. So this is what I was doing. Done, I don't even know. I've probably done almost 30 of them now so far, but I'm getting tired of doing it, but I need to keep chugging. Anyway, I've been letting the duvet cover just kind of air dry because we got some stains on it from Jenna being on it. Even though we had a blanket, she of course always ventured off the blanket. So I let it air dry here, but now I'm gonna show y'all a trick that I learned from TikTok of how to put your duvet inside this thing without you literally having to go inside it yourself. Number 1, you put your duvet cover inside out and lay it on top of your bed. Then you lay the duvet on top of the duvet cover. Then you're gonna start rolling it all together, like from the bottom to the top. And then where there's the opening for the duvet cover where you button it, you just kind of pull it around the end of this. You kind of like tuck it into it. I don't know how to explain it. And then you just literally unroll it. I don't know how this works, but it does. And there we have it. And if you're wondering where our duvet cover is from and our pillowcases, it's from Pottery Barn, and I'll link them down below. I have a whole video about my morning routine, and so I show my morning skincare routine in there as well. So I thought I'd finally show my nighttime routine, or at least like my nighttime skincare routine. I'm not going to show y'all right now because I usually do it and it's pitch black already. So while I have some light, thought I'd just talk you through what I do. And by the way, I have dry skin. I get a little bit of oil in my T-zone, but not too much. Just to preface what type of skin I have before I show you everything. But I use the Drunk Elephant jelly cleanser. Love it. Super gentle. About twice a week for the past few weeks, I started doing the Dr. Jenna's Growth Alpha Beta Peel pads. I love this. It makes your skin so smooth, so radiant. There's like one pad that you rub all over your face until it dries, and then do the second pad, rub it all over your face, let it dry, and then you go in with everything else. But literally, like, if you haven't tried these, they are amazing. And then for eye cream, I was trying to find a new eye cream. I think I finally found one. It soaks in. I feel like it helps brighten my under eyes a little bit because I have naturally dark under eyes. Helps with the lines a little bit as well. But it is the Dr. Jenna's Gross Hyaluronic Marine Do It Right Eye Gel. Then for moisturizer, just as my morning skincare routine, I use the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. Again, I have dry skin, so this is a really good thick moisturizer for me. After the moisturizer, I love to use an oil at night. I love waking up with dewy skin. I like going to sleep with dewy skin, but I use the Josie Marin Argan Oil. I love it. It's just the regular one. I know they have a light version, but this kind is amazing. It actually does not break me out. It does not clog my pores whatsoever. I absolutely love it. It's so moisturizing. I put it all over my face, my neck, my chest, everything. Then something else that I started using just like 2 weeks ago, I don't do it every night, I should, but is a gua sha. The purpose of this is to help, I think it helps alleviate stress in the face and pressure, but I think it also is supposed to help with lymphatic drainage in your face. Like you go on your forehead, from your nose to your ears, and your chin to your ear. Of course, you do this like a ton of times in those spots, but I think it works amazing. I'm gonna get back to addressing the invitations. Still me doing invitations, still addressing them. I actually have not been messing up that much. Yesterday, I think because Dylan was here and we were like talking while I was doing it, and I was really focused on the TV, that I kept misspelling people's names, just kept messing up a lot. But tonight's been really good. I've only messed up like once, which is awesome. But I also wanted to show you this cute little set I got. You can see it's like a waffle. It's like softer than normal waffle knit. It's from Abercrombie. It's this little matching little top with these shorts. They like go up on the side like that. I just think it's so cute. I'll link it down below, but I wanted to show you that and also just end off the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any other video recs, like please comment down below because I do a lot of vlogs and I've done a Whole30 video, morning routine. I add in like my workouts within my vlogs, but if you have any other video ideas, please let me know. Like and subscribe down below. Really helps my channel out. See you next time.